Hi, it's Marielle and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be decorating my November 2023 monthly page and we're using Squad Girls. Yep, we have Love Every Season Large, Love Every Season Regular, and This Is Your Year. So let's get started. On a separate piece of paper, I wrote out the things that I have for November, and we're just going to first put those in because I just want to make sure I have room, and then once I have those in, I usually decorate around those boxes. So I'm going to link all these products for you. This Is Your Year is more box heavy. There's a lot of different boxes in here. We're obviously going for a fall theme, so we're going to be using a lot of these type of boxes. I think I want to switch up the sizes of boxes this time. Sometimes I use the same size box for everything. Other times I switch it up. So let's switch it up. I usually use smaller boxes or plain boxes for the boring things, and then bigger boxes or ones with decorations for the more exciting things. So November 1st, I have a gynecologist appointment. Obviously, boring, boring, boring. We don't want to emphasize that. Let's just use this one. And then on the same day, I have the cleaners are coming. I did hire some new cleaners recently, like last month. They come once a month because I just have chronic pain and it's really hard to clean my house, honestly. So we are, so I'm using cleaners. I'm gonna use a smaller one for that. Let's use the purple. Okay, so let's write that in. Where is my pen? I'm going to use a size 03 Pigma Micron. Actually, let's do the gynecologist appointment small because, you know, that's less exciting than the cleaners. So that is at 9:30, and then the cleaners come at 11. Usually on my monthly spreads, I don't really care too much about the handwriting. I'm not trying to be like fancy with my writing. I'm just trying to write it down. I don't know why I'm like that on monthly and not on the weekly, but that's just how it is. Okay, on the 2nd, I have therapy at 4 o'clock. Let's use a more fun sticker. Let's use one that says Cozy Vibes. I know that we don't really need to emphasize therapy, but why not? Oh my gosh, Bumble is really getting on my nerves. If I put her on the deck, she stays there for a little while and then she wants to come in. If she comes in, she stays here for a little while and then whines to go out. Remember back in the day, that's why I had that automatic dog door. Yeah. Okay, the 7th is election day. Let's get one of these sizes, maybe. How about this one with the little flowers? Oh, it's already written on there though, but let's white that out and write it in for more fun. I wrote that strangely. Okay, and then the 9th, I have my somatic therapist. So I have 2 different therapists. This is my BetterHelp therapist. And then the 9th, I have my somatic therapist. So let's use, where's the 9th? Let's use a smaller one since this one is so big. So let's get a pink, maybe? No, not a pink. That's right there. How about this one? Let's put it down a little bit. Do you hear her? She is driving me nuts. All right, I'm gonna have to pause and go let her out. Pretty soon the barking will begin. This is what it's like to have a dog. If you're considering getting a dog, you might want to reconsider it if you are easily annoyed. I love her though, but man. Okay, Veterans Day is the 11th. I also want to do something for that. Let's put this one on there. Maybe I'll just cover that and write it in. Okay. Now, this week is like crazy busy. I don't know why I scheduled everything for this week, but I did. And we're just going to have to deal with it. Just going to have to deal with it, not you. I'm going to use this one. The 13th I have hair color. It's also World Kindness Day, but I'm going to cover that. Actually, no, let's not cover that. World Kindness Day is important. Okay, hair color appointment. Just my roots. I didn't really leave room for time, did I? Let's just do it here. Again, I don't care that much about what that looks like. Groomer is on Tuesday, but also on Tuesday, my daughter Heather comes home from Germany for Thanksgiving. I'm so excited. So she's going to stay with me for a few days. Her and her husband. So really excited about that. So I want to emphasize that, and less emphasis on the groomer, more emphasis on Heather. So let's grab this for the groomer, and let's do this one with the cat. Why not? It says today is, but maybe I'll write the day that Heather comes home or something. Uh-oh, I'm covering the cat. Oh, well. The day that Heather and Chris, whoops, I wrote that weird, come home. Okay, and then groomer. She's barking now. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then the 16th, I have a dentist appointment. The 17th, I have an eye doctor appointment. And this is the week that Heather's going to be here, and I'm really mad at myself that I didn't realize that when I scheduled those appointments. I might try to reschedule the eye doctor. The dentist was a really hard appointment to get. Actually, that one was too, but let's use this one. The 16th. Wait, why am I using big all the way on this week? We don't want to do that. Let's get one like this, maybe. Let's see. How about this color? I want to try to use all the colors because when I decorate, it's going to have all the colors. So let's just put it up here. We'll do dentist, 11 o'clock with those socks. I know, weird. And then the 17th, let's do this one for the eye doctor. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to try to reschedule that though, because I think I want to do some fun stuff with them while they're here. I'm going to try to take this entire week off, which means I'm going to, the next few weeks, have to work really, really hard. So yeah, eye doctor. Okay, the 20th is Cyber Week, the beginning of Cyber Week. So I'm going to use a bigger sticker for that. Cyber Week and Black Friday are kind of important with my job because there's a lot of sales I need to promote and stuff like that. And brands that I'm working with that I'll have due dates for and stuff. So that's kind of important. And then let's see, Thanksgiving. Let's do a big sticker for that. Let's use this one. Actually, let's cover up Thanksgiving and write it in. Ooh, it's crooked. I'm leaving it. Oh no, I can't really fit it in on this sticker. I'm just gonna have to do a dash. Oh no, Thanksgiving. Okay, and then, like I said, Black Friday, let's put that in. I know I'm using a lot of boxes, but I think this is good. Let's use a pink one. All right, and then on the 26th, it's my friend Maureen's birthday. I want to remember to wish her happy birthday, so we are going to put that in over here, and I guess we'll do, I wanted to do this color, but the only one there says to do, and I don't really, oh, here we go. Here's a plain one for that. Oops, it's this day. All right, now that all of this stuff is in, we can have fun and decorate around it. And, oh, daylight saving time. Now, I don't really have to remember that anymore because my iPhone does it for me. Isn't that weird? I know. But I don't really care about that much. Okay, so let's decorate around it. And I don't really care if I put decorations on some of the other numbers because I'm not going to be using this that much. So I use my iPhone calendar for most of the monthly stuff, and I refer to that more than this when I do my weekly spreads. That's just how I do it. But so I'm just going to decorate all over the place now. Let's look at these. Love Every Season. We have these. Let's look at the big one first. Let's see. There's a fall theme in here. Fall in Love with Fall. I think this is like a strange fall sticker. It doesn't really look fall to me. This one though I like. I might use both of them though, since the other one is big and this one's big, but I think she's really cute. She has her little planner or her cookbook or something. And here's some cooking things. I don't know. I like this one. So let's put her in the sidebar maybe. Yeah. I know she's floating, but I think that's okay. I love this too, but is it too big? Probably. Let's see. I feel like it's too big. I could put it down here maybe. I don't know. I just really like it. I just want to read books and take naps. It's too big for there. It's pretty big for here. But I'm putting it down. I mean, why not? Okay. I know it's busy. I know it's busy. Don't worry. We'll figure it out. I like this little mixing bowl. I think that's fun. Let's put that let's put it on the day before Thanksgiving for obvious reasons. And then the little rolling pin is so cute. Just put that there. I'm just sort of I don't care that much about my monthly. They're hard to decorate, you guys. They're super hard to decorate. So we're just having fun, and it's okay to just have fun with it. Not every monthly is going to be like the best thing I've ever seen, and I'm okay with that. I've come to terms with that. Now I have monthly peace because I take it so much less seriously than I used to. If that makes sense, I really do. I still get sort of disappointed if I hate it, but honestly, in the grand scheme of things, who cares? Let's put a coffee mug there. I know that that's right above that. That's okay. We used a page, look. All right, I might put this, I don't know, that feels too much. I do want to put some leaves in though. And that's going to balance that brown, those two brown colors on that side. Okay, let's check out this smaller one. We can put some small quotes in here where, let's see. We need some books because of this. So let's put books right there. This girl will be good. This girl should actually go down there in the corner. I feel like she belongs there, but maybe we just put her here instead. Yeah, she's right next to those giant leaves. That is weird. Oh, this girl too. I like her. She's in a wheelchair, so let's represent. We have, she's carving a pumpkin, and there's her little cat. I know that we don't really carve pumpkins in November, but you could though if you want. So we're gonna put her there. In here, we're gonna need room for a little quote or something. So let's grab a quote. Fall in Love with Fall. Now we have that quote there, and if I put a quote here, that means I have to put a quote here because I am all about balance, but I'm okay with that, I think. That's very quote heavy there, but warm drinks and chilly days can go on this side somewhere. It's getting real busy and I'm all for it, you guys. I don't care. I think it's fun. Let's put some washi tape in here. I have this one and I think it's from an Amazon pack. I will try to link it for you. It's so cute. It just feels very fall-like to me. So let's put a little bit here. And we will cut around this. Like it's kind of going behind it. Cute. We'll cut it here. Yeah, that really makes it better, I think. It just adds a little touch, right? So now we're going to need some maybe up here. I don't know how to do this though. Should we end it abruptly? Maybe we end it like this. Okay, I kind of like that. Now I know it makes the rest of this look sort of bare, so what we can do is go in with some smaller things, maybe some leaves or something. Like some of these. I don't have a lot of leaves left. I think I've used a bunch. But let's see. Some little brown flowers maybe. Some socks, some cozy socks. Cute. How about this pot holder? Because we do have a little bit of a cooking theme going on. Okay, there's also like this space. I know I need something else here, but there's also this space that needs something. Sometimes when I need something, I put a fake box in there. I don't know. Let's do a little gold. I'll decide that in a minute. Let's do maybe this. And maybe a little flower. Okay, and then here, I guess we can put like a leaf maybe and a mushroom. Do a couple of small things here. Oh, I don't know if I like that. Maybe just the mushroom. And then maybe a leaf here. All right, I might be taking it too far now. I think we're good. It's not my favorite monthly ever. It is very busy, but it's still cute and fun. And that's the purpose of this, you guys. It's the purpose of planning. So if you're someone who is really like struggling to make this perfect spread and you're worried that it doesn't look as good as everybody else's spread, just don't worry about it. Really, please. Just try to have fun. This is a little creative hobby and it keeps you on track like with your schedule. And please don't take it too seriously. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be, you know, just take you out of your head and just do a little fun craft. So even if your spread isn't the best one you've ever seen or the one you like the best, it is okay. And this is proof of it. Like, I still like it, you know. So let's name it. Let's name it Fall Squad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.